Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about formation of possessive case. In the previous video we discussed about noun case. I also provided link in the description below of the noun case. So without waste the time, let's get started. So first of all we discuss about possessive case. Possessive case is used to show ownership or possession of something. The first rule is when the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun. For example, cat. Cat is singular and cats is a possessive case. Teacher is singular and teachers is a possessive case. So why we add s? The s indicate that the noun owns and possesses something. For example, the cat's toys. In this sentence, the toy belonged to the cat. And the second one is the teacher's book. The teacher's book means that a book belonged to the teacher. By adding s to the singular noun, we clearly show that a noun possesses something. The latter is omitted in a few words where too many hissing sounds would come together as bus, bus, instead of buses, prince, prince, instead of princes. In English, there are few examples where the s is omitted to avoid consecutive hissing sound. This occurs when a singular noun ends in s, ce, se or xe, and adding another s would create an awkward pronunciation. By omitting the extra s, we can avoid this issue and ensure that a word is pronounced correctly. The second rule is when the noun is plural and ends in s and the possessive sign is formed by adding only an apostrophe. For example, cat, cats, student, students. The reason of adding an apostrophe is to avoid doubling the s sound, which would make the word difficult to pronounce. And this rule applies to most plural nouns that end in s. Third rule is when the noun is plural and does not end in s, the possessive sign is formed by adding s as, for example, children, children's, man, man's. The reason of adding s to indicate possession or ownership. This rule applies to the most plural noun that does not end in s. The fourth rule is when the noun or a phrase consists of several words, the possessive sign is attached only to the last word. For example, brother-in-law, brother-in-laws, the king of England, the king of England's. The reason of attaching possessive sign only to the last word to maintain clarity and avoid ambiguity. This rule applies to the most noun phrase with multiple words. The fifth rule is when two nouns are in opposition, the possessive sign is put to the later only. First of all, we discussed that what is opposition. Opposition means the replacement of two nouns side by side where the second noun explains and renames the first noun. For example, the king's crown. Here, kings and crown are not in opposition, but the kings show that their possession. The second one is the captain's James Smith bravery. Here's captain and James Smith are in opposition and the possessive sign is added only to the James Smith. The sixth rule is when two nouns are closely connected and possesses, it is put to the later. For example, the university, library. University and library are closely connected. The king's crown. Kings and crowns are closely connected. The reason for adding the possessive sign to the second noun is to show that the two nouns are closely related and the second noun is being possessed and described. The seventh rule is each of two or more connected nouns implies separate possession must take the possessive sign. For example, John's and Mary's car. Both John and Mary's own separate cars. The boys and girls team. The boys and the girls have separate teams. The reason for adding the possessive sign to the each noun is to show that each noun has a separate ownership and possession. Now it's quiz time. Test your knowledge with these questions. The first one is, what is the possessive form of the noun child? There are three options and you can pause the video and answer in the comment below. And the second one is, what is the possessive form of the noun woman? Here are the three options. Pause the video and answer in the comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. If you like this video, you also share with your friends. If you have any question, you mention in the comment below. See you in the next video.